Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV Center down at the 2026 Jayco Homecoming. I'm standing outside of the brand new Comet 18 that we are going to be having coming in here soon. Let's take a look. What a great way to travel. Something simple, easy. You can just get in and go anytime. Get it loaded up, and whenever the mood strikes you, you can hop in and go. You got your bathroom back here. Got a wardrobe, some nice storage. You got your spray port out here. Yep, this unit here is 17 foot and 10 inches long. I've been considering getting one of these for my daily driver. This thing's easy to park, simple to navigate. You got AquaHot, hydronic water heater and heating system. And the 54-inch sofa in there converts into a 54 by 72 bed right here in front of me. We have this floor plan on its way. We look forward to seeing it. If you have any questions about when it might come in, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.